3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein.
Good morning.
Morning.
You gonna help me put up the flagpole?
Yep.
Finally, you on my level. Where we gonna stick this thing? Don't fall. Yeah, boy.
A year later, and I'm finally getting my flagpole. Thank you. That looks pretty nice. I like my turkey. Good job.
Yeah, boy. Fix the cylinder fans. Not wobbling no more. It was wobbling pretty bad. And the light worked. Now I'm gonna work on the pallets that I built today. Yeah, boy. How'd you go for a mini bike ride? Oh, you wanna go?
Crash, a big crash.
Yeah, boy. Now we're taking the dog for a walk. The long guy gonna come get the grass, so
Yeah, so
instead of
we were
locking,
gonna go on a mini
instead of
bike
locking Oreo up, we just take him for a walk.
We were gonna go on a mini bike ride, but we couldn't, so we're walking right now. You are gonna have to come on me.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Taking a break.
I'm not. I'm climbing.
You look like you laying down.
Not really.
Yeah, boy. You comfortable?
That's an Angry Bird. That's for Angry Bird. Was there a swing on this tree? Because there's a rope on that branch.
Probably.
Probably used to be. There's a rope on that branch.
Alright, going home.
Unless Tarzan.
Bye, Felicia.
Wait! Look, this is like a slide. Whee! Yeah, boy.
Hey, boy. Finding some yard sales?
Yep. Back there we got some plates. I don't know if you can see them. We got some plates just now. We got like popsicle things. We already stuffed at the house because we had to get more money. And now we're stuffing in another one now. And Safari supposedly knows where all yard sales are in villages of Homestead. Wow. So, yeah, bye.
Alright, we all showered up. Gonna go to my mom's house. We got pretty funky this morning. Are you white? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Leaving my mom's house, she gave us some hats for winter so we could stay nice and toasty warm. Let me see yours. Sexy.
Oh, we even got one for Tabby in the back.
We got one for the cat.
Wait here, let's see if we can find it.
We got all kinds of goodies. Yeah, boy. We want around inside. We're gonna eat some all-you-can-eat Chinese buffet tonight.
Yeah, and I just slipped my chopsticks right in here.
All right. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Crazy, like it firm tight, just right.
I'm saying no, turn it up. No, 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 no.
You wanna get one?
I was listening to that one. I was listening to that one.
By the name of Jermaine Dupri, dope man fresh in the place to be.
We home, we home, we home, we home, we home. Honey, honey, we home, home, home. We home, we home.
Yeah, boy. She loves it.
You fits it.
She loves it.
Oh, you dropped it, Cal.
You better put it on and we're gonna give it an Oreo.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yeah, boy. Chopsticks ready. Yeah, boy. Bon appetit. You want some chicken with your sweet and sour sauce?
Yep.
Yeah, boy. Bon appetit. Brandon been waiting for 2 weeks for some Chinese food. How's it?
Yeah. We were supposed to get some on Mochi Culture Day, but no.
I don't know when that. I need my chopstick. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. We're getting Marshalls. Marshalls?
Michael's.
Michael's. I was close.
You never get those right.
I know.
Marshall's, Michael's. Oh, look. Is it this what mommy needs?
You know what time it is?
What?
You know what time it is?
No.
Bedtime?
Oh.
What do you want me to do?
Don't you like it? Just kind of dumb. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.